How does AI algorithmic bias lead to discrimination? Imagine a world where the tools meant to help us actually end up hurting certain groups of people. That's what can happen when artificial intelligence systems develop biases. These biases happen when the data used to train AI reflects unfair patterns from society. For example, if past hiring data favored certain groups over others, the AI will learn to do the same. This means qualified candidates from underrepresented groups might be overlooked just because of the patterns in the data. Bias can also come from how the system is built. Sometimes, what seems like a neutral factor, like zip codes or healthcare costs, can actually stand in for race or income levels. For instance, in some hospitals in the United States, an algorithm used to decide who needs extra care favored white patients over black patients. It used healthcare spending as a proxy for medical need, but black patients often had lower spending due to systemic inequalities. So, the algorithm unintentionally reinforced those inequalities. Bias isn't limited to healthcare or hiring. In finance, algorithms used for mortgage loans have been found to charge higher interest rates to minority borrowers, even if their financial situations are similar to white applicants. In criminal justice, risk prediction tools have shown higher false positive rates for black defendants, wrongly labeling them as high risk more often than others. These issues can lead to unfair treatment and reinforce existing social divides. Even AI that creates images, like DALL-E or Midjourney, can reflect stereotypes. When asked to generate images of professionals, these tools often show men in leadership roles and women in sexualized or subordinate positions. This kind of bias can influence how society views gender roles and career opportunities. Productivity tools and job recommendation systems can also be biased. Some platforms tend to suggest male candidates more often or hide job postings from older workers. This limits chances for many people just because of the way the algorithms are designed or trained. The impact of bias in AI is serious. It can deepen inequalities, block access to resources, and keep harmful stereotypes alive. To fix this, developers need to carefully check the data they use, monitor outcomes for bias, and design systems with fairness and transparency in mind. Only then can AI truly serve everyone equally and fairly.